First, let's talk about what it means to have a cultured marble vanity top. Cultured marble is a blend of stone particles and resins, combined with pigments to produce a wide variety of natural-like products. Cultured marble is a gel-coated product which seals the vanity and gives it a luster for a lifetime. Now, let's get started with how to clean your cultured marble vanity top. First, you will want to make sure that you are wiping up any spills after they happen. This will help deter any buildup from adhering to the vanity top, making your surface appear dull. Second, routine cleaning with a soft sponge or cloth or a non-abrasive foam cleaner is all that is normally needed to clean your vanity top. Try to find a product that says it is pH neutral and designed for hard surfaces such as a cultured marble top. Oftentimes, it will be the same product used for quartz or sealed stone. As always, be careful as not to use too much cleaner, as this can cause buildup. Apply a conservative amount and wipe clean. Never allow the product to dry on the surface. Cultured marble is a non-porous and extremely durable surface. With that being said, you should stay away from abrasive cleaners such as Comet and Soft Scrub, as they can leave small scratches that will dull the gel surface of your vanity. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out some of our other how-to videos.